Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And this is a confusing problem. I posted it, and majority of the comments coming up. Some are saying we have to use parallel lines. Others are using other method. But like most of the comments that I saw, people are using parallel lines, and others are objecting, saying it should not be parallel lines format. Then I decided to come on board to solve this one. Okay, now just watch till the end. I have two ways. I'm coming to solve this using parallel lines approach, and at the same time I will use another method apart from parallel lines method that you guys we are proclaiming that they should not use parallel line method. Where does parallel line indicated here? Now let's start. We say solution. Now the first method, let me just solve it normally. Then if you look at this diagram, we are now asked to find the value of x and y. Now if you look at this one, okay, let's say, and let's try to inculcate an angle here, or if you want we can draw it again if possible. Let's draw it. Let's just have time to draw it again. Let us draw it for better understanding. This is the diagram of it. Let me just draw it quickly. Let me just draw it quickly. Let me just draw it. Just patient. Let me just draw it for better understanding. For better understanding, this is how the diagram look like. And we are given this is x, this is 28, and this is q, this is p, and you are given 90 degree here. This is s, and you are given y. This is r, and you are given 65 here, and this is t, given a parallel line here. Now first of all, let's inculcate here. Let's say this is angle m. Now to find the value of m here, what I need to do, you apply straight line angle. Like I said, I'm going to use two methods to solve this one. Now we say m plus 65 is equals 180 degree. The reason being, we say angles on ST line. Okay. Then if you want to find the value of m, we say m now then becomes 180 minus 65. Then the value of m here becomes, we say 180 minus 65. We have 105 degree. Okay, so this is the value of m, but remember it is not m that we are asked to find. Our target now is want to find the values of x and y using different methods. Okay, now having gone from this part, let's inculcate here also. Let's say this is angle n. Okay, now since this is angle n, this is m and this is 28, let's just say from triangle, let's say from triangle SQR, let's say from triangle SQR, that is, we consider this triangle, we say n plus m plus 28 becomes 180 degree. The reason being, we say sum of angles in a triangle. That is the reason. But remember, we have m already as 115. Then we say n, we want to find the value of n. We say n plus 115 plus 28, then everything becomes 180. Then n plus 115 plus 28, you're going to have 143. 143 is equals 180. Now finding the value of n now, we say n here becomes 180 minus 143. Then the value of n automatically becomes 180 minus 143 becomes 37 degree. So it means the value of n becomes 37 degrees respectively. So this is the value of n that you have. But remember, we are not asked to find m and n. This is just a way for us to have x and y. Then remember, we have n already here. Now this is y. To find y, remember properties of a right angle. This is a right angle. Let's say this is a right angle. Let me just draw it again here. This is a right angle. If this is a right angle, we know it's an angle that is sum up to 90 degree right angle. Then if you have this is y and this is n, but you have n already, but n already given us 37. So automatically to find y, we see y plus n becomes 90. It means angle given already. Then we see y plus n here becomes 37 is equals 190 degree. Then the value of y here becomes, subtracting 90 minus 37, the value of y automatically, the value of y here becomes 90 minus 37, you're going to have 53 degree. So it means the value of y becomes 53 degree from this problem. So this is the value of y becomes 53 degree. Then you want to find the reason why you have to use right angle triangle. Maybe others may intend to ask. Look at this diagram. This is a straight line and you have another line here. So this point becomes 90 degree automatically. This is 90 degree. Okay, then that is angle S here becomes 90 degree. That is how to find y, which results also 53 degree. Then we want to find x. Let's look at the diagram again. Now to find x here, it's very simple. Now you just need to consider, let's say from triangle, let's consider triangle PQS. We say